little somethings are to die for. They're miniature wedding cakes made from almond sugar cookies. And all good things start with butter. Vanilla's in here because it's a flavor enhancer. It makes everything else taste better. Mix your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients separately. That'll lead to a beautiful crumbly cookie. Little flour to save you an hour when you're cleaning up. This dough rolls out really easily because it's been chilled. And now I just need 3 different cookie cutter sizes to make that iconic stacked wedding cake look. Cake stack, I need 2 small, 2 medium, and 2 large. And rolling them all out to the same thickness means they'll bake nice and evenly. Now, while these cool, I am gonna make an icing that lives up to its name, royal icing. I'm using meringue powder, but you can also make royal icing with egg whites. A little bit of water, and icing sugar for sweetness. As this whips up and becomes really nice and thick, perfect for piping. That lovely little hint of almond gives this royal icing a real depth of flavor. Look at that, so thick and delicious. I want a nice thick consistency for the little decorative balls I'm gonna do later, but I need a slightly thinner consistency to flood the entire cookie with icing. And just a tiny bit of food coloring will give me a gorgeous lilac color. And make sure your cookies are cool, because if they're warm, it'll melt right off. Royal icing is not only great as a delicious icing, but it's also a really good glue. It's already starting to look like a wedding cake. A sugar cookie has never looked so pretty. That is sweet and simple.